Welcome to 6M's class assembly. We hope you enjoy it.
Over the last half term, we've been learning about the environment and how humans can affect it in a positive and negative way.
We've learned about this through our IPC topic. Yet through our Power of Reading text, Farmings, our IPC topic, Going Global, and our first ever Rights Respecting Day.
Farmings is a picture written by Helen Ward. It explores the destruction of nature through powerful illustrations. It shows us how we should look after the environment for future generations.
The word varmint means a troublesome or mischievous animal or person, and originates from the word vermin. However, the animal on the front cover of our book does not look troublesome or mischievous. What do you think?
We predicted the story would be set in a forest where fire or pollution destroys the environment. This was because of the colours in the background and the concerned look on the character's face. Some of our predictions are coming true, but we haven't finished it yet.
The story starts with characters who spend their days playing in the wavy grass and listening to the sounds of the bees and the songs of the birds, for then one day the others came.
To reenact this part of the book, we acted out this scene and freeze frames actually. We used thought tracking to tell how the characters were feeling at this point.
Then the others came.
Unsettled.
Why are you here?
Invaded.
Nervous.
Confused.
Are they a threat to us?
Anxious. Concerned. Scared.
We wrote diary entries, imagining we were one of the characters, describing the moment when the others arrived. We used emotive language and mode words to describe the possibility of something happening.
Dear Diary, the day was like never before. We were gardening, well, I was, playing and thinking about how good the day would be. But I did not know that everything from today would change for the worse. I felt the wiry grass tickle my whiskers. The sound of the beat buzzed through my head like a running polycule. I was working hard for about half an hour. As I wiped my head, I saw a shady figure in the distance. That's when the sound of the bees went. I heard a scream from my brother. The sky was grey. What had happened? Where will they go? Oh, he said, I can see them clearly. They are like us, I shouted. I commented on their noses that they had longer ones than ours, and then I saw that they were putting something. What is it? My friend was crying and screaming loudly. One of my other friends ran and ran and ran. What happens now? Said another friend. I was blocking out all the sound and thinking. It was so peaceful. And then I realised that they were destroying all of our hard work. How terrible. I thought to myself, what am I going to do now? Am I going to ask who they are?
Dear Diary, it was a lovely peaceful afternoon. I was just minding my own business, and all I could hear was the sound of bees buzzing. I thought to myself that the sky had never looked so blue. Everything was perfect, when suddenly I saw some shadowy figures in the distance. I was very scared. I had butterflies in my stomach. The sound of bees was no more. The warm, sunny sky turned into a gloomy, dark sky. The breeze suddenly got colder, and the mystery figures looked like they were pulling something, but I couldn't quite make out what it was. Who are they? What are they pulling? Are they a threat to us? I had a billion questions zooming around in my head. The mysterious figures, who were getting closer, had very pointy noses. My heart was beating like I just ran a 45-kilometre marathon. What should we do? Should we fight? Should we flee? For once, I didn't know what we should do. There were a lot of these mystery figures, and they were getting closer and closer. The closer they got, the more my heart was pounding. A lovely, beautiful day had turned into a horrible, creepy day. My friends were just as scared as I was. This was bad, really bad. Could this be the end?
Using the soundtrack from Varmints animation, we drew how we pictured the scene in our minds. We used figurative language such as similes, metaphors, and personification to describe our image.
Rivers running like an orchestra in my ears.
The clouds walking around in the sky.
Busy bumblebees.
Birds falling to their death like raindrops falling to the ground.
Birds are singing as a choir. Wild snake-like grass.
The boisterous wind.
Dying sun.
The heavy rocks falling like a meteorite.
The whispering wind.
Birds flying like a plane.
Wind whirling like a tornado.
Grass swaying to the rhythm of the wind.
Using images and phrases as stimulus, we wrote our own picture-inspired poems.
Drowned among hair-green grass, wind whips forcibly against tenebrous oaks, whilst the pollen is spread like stringing yarn, buttercups are minted in golden light. Chaffinches chirp or sparrows break their flight. Philharmonic rivers are a symphony in all ears. Bustling bees dart at wasps, growing in competitive feathers. Yet the ecstasy is lessened as dusk-drawn clouds cover, and the scavenging seagulls scramble and sigh. As wind swings with heavier blows, and cotton buds cease to sow, ash-like storms conjure a sinister smell, new leaves turned in light and life burned.
The birds flying in the air, the long wiry grass, the sound of the bees buzzing makes the trees dance. The bright blue shimmering sea, as blue as sapphire, the bright yellow sun, the bright blue sky stands above the clouds, the wind whistles and waves around in the air, the wavy grass moves in the breeze and wakes all the bees. The sky starts to turn black. What is happening? I can't see a thing. Who are they?
Morning scent. Oversized puffy clouds cover the sky. The sun is shining brightly. A fresh morning scent surrounds the air. Birds swooping around like hovercrafts. A peacock looks over the land. Trees whisper in the rushing wind. A beautiful beehive hangs from the tree. Strange creatures rustling in snake-like grass. The wonderful blue sky hangs high. The majestic horizon lowers over the land. Bees are buzzing loudly beside an oak tree. All of a sudden, these sounds are gone. Creatures are scavenging for food. Varmints are hiding from the others. The morning scent is lost.
The wind dancing around in the clouds, the busy buzzing bees swirling around, the dancing flowers as wild as a tiger, the clouds of snow glowing wide, the trees as tall as a skyscraper towering above us, the sky suddenly a shade of grey, the bees suddenly silent, the sound was lost, it was all silent.
When the others came, they took away the sound of bees, scraped away the vibrant grass, and instead of the songs of birds, tall buildings scratched the sky and darkness dawned. At this point of the story, it is clear that the others have had a negative impact on the environment, and the amount of noise has left the varmints unable to think for themselves.
Please stand before him.
Every child has the right to a clean environment, including breathing clean air wherever they live, learn and play.
This was Centoda's first Rights Day, and we explored the impact of air pollution on children's health. Before Christmas, Mrs. O'Sullivan installed an air diffuser tube in our school playground to collect air. Then we sent to UNICEF to be analysed, and came back stating we have high nitrogen oxide levels.
All around the world, and even in the UK, there is a big problem with air pollution. It is estimated that 71% of all towns and cities in the UK have an issue with air pollution. This means that many children in our own country are breathing dirty air.
Where do you think air pollution comes from? Trees. India. Air pollution comes from a variety of different sources, including factories, industries, and burning fuels for power and for transportation. In the UK, some of the main pollution sources are traffic congestion, burning fuels, and transportation.
For our first ever Rights Day, we took part in lots of different activities, raising our awareness of air pollution and highlighting the diseases that can be caused by it, such as asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia.
If you suffer from any of these diseases, you may find it difficult to breathe. We're going to do a breathe deep meditation exercise. You may join me if you like. Take a big breath in. Now take a big breath out. Breathe through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Take a very deep breath in. Now breathe out. Take one more deep breath. 2 seconds. Now breathe out. What does it feel like when your body doesn't have? Yeah, it needs clean air to stay healthy. Young people especially need clean air so they can grow.
At the end of this day, we wrote some statements about how we feel about air pollution. Here are some of them. Children need clean air to develop properly, and I believe it is the government's responsibility to help us.
I want to live, learn, relax in clean air because it will help me live a happier life, which is important for my well-being, health and personal care. When people grow older, they might have children and even grandchildren, and they would want them to live in a clean, unpolluted area no matter how they live.
Children's right to a clean environment matters because they wouldn't want to breathe in dirty air, and that is dangerous for them because they can get asthma or bronchitis, and they would want to live in clean air so they are healthy.
Children's rights to clean environment matters because if children don't have clean air, it can affect them because if they keep on breathing it in, it can lead to serious diseases and they could have a risk of even dying.
Not only did this day help raise the awareness of air pollution, but it also gave everyone a voice and let them be heard.
As part of our IPC topic, going global, we considered the environment in our exit point. We had to make an advert for a sustainable holiday resort. Things such as solar panels, recycling and electric cars, green spaces amongst other features were the main selling points in our adverts.
Through our learning, we found out how important it is to take care of our environment, not just for today, but also for future generations.
Even the smallest things can help to improve our environment. For example, recycling paper and plastics, walking or cycling to school, and even turning off a light when you leave a room.
What are you going to do to help protect our environment? What are your dreams for our world?
Let us pray. Dear God, thank you for giving us our planet and all the wonderful things living in it. Please remind us how important it is for us to take care of it so that future generations can continue to enjoy it. Amen.